In this video, we're going to see steps to create multiple enclosure on ANSYS. The first thing that you need to do is bringing the geometry toolbox to the project schematic. Then import the geometry by browsing from the folder and hit Open. Then open it in Design Modeler. It is going to take some time to open, so you have to wait. As you can see, the model of the truck look like this. As much as possible, basic components of the truck's body are included. Now let's create the enclosure, and to do so, go to Tools and select Enclosure. Then fill the information carefully, since the truck's tires are in contact with the road. A plane should be created. So, select the symmetry plane based on your axis. For this model, ZX plane is selected. Then let us adjust the dimension of the enclosure in the positive X direction to 3 meters, as the flow in the rear is more turbulent. After you insert all the necessary dimensions, click on Generate. To make the enclosure transparent, go to View and select Frozen Body Transparency. And the other basic operation is Boolean, which is used to subtract the truck from the enclosure, so go to Create and select Boolean. Make sure that the operation is on Subtract and select the enclosure for target body and the truck for tool body. Now let's generate the inner box. First, select the plane. In our case, let's select XY plane and click on Sketch. Then go to Sketching. And now draw a rectangle inside the enclosure. Then give it dimension. After the dimension is done, extrude it by filling out all the necessary information. As you can see, the inner box is created, so hit Generate and freeze the inner box. Finally, the inner box is successfully created. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on future content.